I'm going to touch it because it's still hot. But that's how you remove it. I basically had to take the end off it with my plasma cutter, and then I just welded a nut on it because it was just easier to access it that way rather than trying to put the shank of a bolt on it. Yeah, and it just came off, of course. But fucking, I could even reuse it. I could even reuse that because if I put that spring, yeah, I don't know. That's not going to work though because the spring is supposed to hold it. So I don't know. Ooh, it's nice and warm. But fuck me. So you can sit on here, pick it up. Yeah, I started to melt the actual nut because I really wanted to make sure it bound properly. And it's obviously not on straight because I just put it. It didn't matter though. Yeah. This is what is it? That's the original nut. Yeah, or another one obviously. What a fucking dunce. I still can't believe I've shown him it like that. And he just bloody laughed. Look at that. And there's one there as well. Is that one gone inside? No, I think that's just cut the metal top, hasn't it? Yeah, that one's gone inside though. I don't know. I might be able to put a seam across it just to seal it. Fuck me, what an idiot. Yeah, I might clean it up and see if I can just put up. But I don't know how I'm going to get behind it though. Because it's both sides, isn't it? It's gone straight. Yeah, look at it. It's gone both ways. I could seam it up obviously to seal it. I think it's because I don't think these are like aluminium or anything. I think they're just steel or some. It might be an alloy. Anyway, you can see that's clear now, so I can put another exhaust on it. What a fucking dunce! I can't put the original back on. No, because he's fucking cut it, hasn't he? Look at the bottom. That'll never go back on. I'll just buy another one, and I'll have to buy a midsection as well now. Fuck me. Yeah. Oh, it's the same car, you can just weld it back on, you fucking nonce. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same car, no, you just put it about fucking look at that one. I don't believe it. Anyway, so that's ready for it to go back on. I mean, there's just that cut there, which isn't going to be a problem. I might be able to source another bolt. Yeah. Obviously, at some point, I'm going to have to get a steering rack now. Fucking dick. What a dick end.